Okay, here it is, all turned on. We're going to launch Space Paranoids. Just click this little button here. Just make sure windowed is unchecked. And play. Whoop. And here it is. This is the free play version. There's also a different version of the game on here that uses the coin slot. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay. Let's see where my enemy's at. And of course, the trackball controls your aim as well, so you can aim in a different direction than the tank is actually facing. Oh, there it is. Okay, and uh-oh. See if I can get him here. Oh no! I'm out of ammo. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Okay, I forgot that you have limited ammo in this game. Ah, that's a recharge spot. Oh, there he is. Alright. Very difficult to play with one hand. Alright, now we actually have ammo. And... woohoo! And, that's basically Space Paranoids. Okay, so if we hit escape on the keyboard here, that'll shrink us back into windowed mode, and we can close the executable. Literally shoot it away. That's Space Paranoids.